Students, as we know that atom is only made up of electrons, protons and neutrons. So basically the total mass of an atom, that is atomic mass, that will be equal to the sum of masses of the subatomic particles. But out of these three subatomic particles, electrons are so small in size and their mass is so small that it can be rejected, it can be neglected. Therefore, mass of an atom depends only on the mass of protons and mass of neutrons which are present inside the nucleus of an atom. In short, atomic mass, that is mass of an atom, is equal to sum of masses of protons and neutrons. Students, we have also studied that mass of one proton is equal to 1 u, that is the relative mass, and neutron is equivalent to proton in mass. Therefore, mass of one neutron will also be equal to 1 u. Now, considering the example of sodium, here number of electrons are 11, protons are 11 and neutrons are 12. Therefore, the mass of sodium atom, that is atomic mass of sodium, as already discussed, it will be equal to sum of masses of only protons and neutrons. Electrons we are rejecting because they are very small in size. Their masses are so small that it does not contribute anything to the overall mass. So basically mass of an atom is equal to sum of the masses of protons and neutrons. In this case it will be equal to the sum of masses of 11 protons plus 12 neutrons. As already learned that mass of one proton is 1 u, therefore mass of 11 protons will be equal to 11 into 1. Mass of one neutron is equal to 1 u, therefore mass of 12 neutrons will be equal to 12 into 1. Hence it will be equal to 11 plus 12, which is equal to 23 u. Now if we compare it with the mass number is 23 and the mass of sodium is 23 u. So we can just say that mass number is numerically equal to atomic mass of an atom. So that means we can also calculate, or we can also know the mass of a substance or of a particular atom if we know its mass number. So mass number of sodium is 23 and therefore atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23 u.